Alright people, this is where it's at right now. And there's the backup camera on the car. I got called into work, so I'm on my way into work, even though it was my off day. And this vehicle is all-wheel drive, so I shouldn't have any problem getting out. The boys are taking me. Leave them with the vehicle. But got a little bit of what's going on. There's our road. And I should, unlike last year, should have no problem making it up the embankment. Yeah, so it's like really starting to come down now. Like I said, it's still kind of snowing sideways. Okay. Now we're going
Traction
uphill.
control.
Oh, you got the traction control?
Mm-hmm. It's on now.
Alright. But now we're going uphill. And this is about where we would skid out last year. If y'all watched the shorts. But the all-wheel drive seems to be handling it just fine. But anyways, I got called into work, so I won't get off work until after dark. But love you guys. Bye. This is the drive-thru at my job. We don't really, it's like we're not a fast food restaurant, we're just a regular. But we do have a drive-thru for calling orders. And that's the drive-thru. Alright everybody, I'm back off of work. I was supposed to have off today. It's really cold in the cabin. We put up a divider to try to keep the heat on one side. But there's a few things I want to show you. It's like cold. So this is the other side of my cabin, you know, the stove and, you know, laundry and the bathroom. But we put the blankets up. Of course, I mean, we know heat rises and I still got all of that open, but it is what it is. But if you come over here to my window, it feels like negative 31 right now. My window has ice on the inside. My windows are frozen. Solar is doing okay. Yep, solar's doing okay, but I mean, the inside of my windows are frosted up. So, there's that. And we have everything kind of closed off. My loft's up here, but we're not going to be sleeping up here tonight. Tonight, you come through here, snow by the front door. We're going to be sleeping on the couch that we can keep wood on the wood stove. So, let me see if it needs anything right now. I might be able to put another piece in there. I'll go with this round one. It's heavy. Okay. So that's night one of the freezing cold. It's almost 10 p.m. We closed early tonight at work. I went in for 1 and we closed at 6:30. We just really weren't busy enough to pay all them wages. Hardly any customers. Oh yeah, we got thermometers on the stove. Let me turn that around here. Let's see. Almost 700 on this side. But then, if you come to this side over here, we're right at 500. I'm not sure if you can make that out. Right at 500. Oops, I hit it with my finger. Those thermometers came with the fan. So, say hey, baby.
Hey, how y'all doing? Staying warm.
All right, well, I'm gonna call it a night. In the morning, we'll see how things are doing, and then I'll probably piece together my video and post it for tomorrow. Oh yeah, the Christmas tree in the back. We got a little 4-foot tall Christmas tree. It came with lights on it, but we added lights because we just didn't have enough. And our stockings are over there. Yeah, the star has been turned off, but we do have a star up there. All right, good night, guys. I'll give y'all a bit of an update tomorrow, and I'll just piece this whole video together. Should have quite a few parts. Good night. All right, here we are the next morning. It's still really cold. It's like negative 31. But something my kid just noticed. Every one of our screws from the outside is frosted up where we don't have insulation. Every one of them is frosted up. And if you come over here, our window is, all of the windows in the house are like this. They're still nice and toasty. I mean, nice and frosted. Solar's doing okay. The sun really reflects off the snow. Does a good job. This part of the house is still freezing. And over here, I mean, you can really see all the screws that have come in from outside are all frosted over. So, well, we survived the first night. It's gonna be a 2-night ordeal. Oh, there's frost coming in right there. But it's gonna be a 2-night ordeal. Things are gonna get better come Saturday. We're gonna get to where they feel like temperatures into the positives instead of the negatives. So, day 1 in the record, well, in the history books. We're going to day 2. But we're gonna start day 2. Someone's gotta go try to wash some laundry today. I'm gonna sit here and me in the fire.
You can compare the wood.
Oh yeah, the wood. We went through a lot of wood last night. Like, that's our hardly anything piles. And, well, Doc's laying behind the stove because there's like only like 2 pieces of wood left back there. So, one more day of this. I'm cold, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to anybody and say I'm nice and toasty. I'm cold. We survived the night pretty well. We were on the couch. I had my sleeping bag plus a blanket. And Doc went back and forth between me and Slim, so he has a nice little beanie, kept him warm all night. I had a blanket over my head.
Good morning.
All right. Bye, guys. Love you. Get to post this together real quick.